week we have a giveaway from Kraemer Yarns. I have 6 kits to give away for their Shadow Checkerboard baby blanket. And there are 70 different colors in this yarn. You get to pick the colors of yarn you want, but I'm getting through all this because I'm so excited to show you this blanket. I've had a lot of requests for a shadow knitting tutorial, and I have one now, actually. And I checked, and it does show up on camera, so I'm excited about that. You see here we have what appears to be a striped blanket until you look at it from another angle, and it's a checkerboard. You see that? Stripes. Checkerboard, and it's only when you catch it at the angle that it's a checkerboard. I'm watching this in the monitor so I can see what you guys see. And I've done this one in a green and a cream color, and then I've used the cream and teal in this one. You see? Then I have 2 colors of pink here. Next week we have a tutorial on this blanket, so be sure to check back. But for now, I have 6 of these kits to give away. Here are just some of the colors available. I think you'll probably have a hard time picking. I had a hard time picking which ones I was going to use. If you would like to enter, just watch to the end of the video or click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner to be whisked away to my website so you can sign up. And tune in next week for the tutorial on this blanket. Good luck.